Yo, I just blew up with more viewers, like 4,000 viewers. Yeah, that's so crazy. Yeah, my goal still today is 10 subscribers. If I reach 10 subscribers, I want 100 more. But still, I got more likes now, maybe 24 or yeah. But I got 14 shares and more. And also, I just blew up with 1,000 viewers. And yep, I just saw the other that video and it blew up. Yeah, I was having collab. Not that one. Not that. Not not the not like that, bro. Not that one. But still, I just blew up. But if I if you wanna be my subs, if you want to subscribe or else. I told you crab earlier. That crab will come into your bed if you don't subscribe. But still, bye.